Hello, we are going to explain you how to use Playtch in your Play framework application or in your Play framework project. First of all, you have to enter in our Playtch example. You have to sign up in our application, use username, for example, this. And click sign up. Now you have registered in the Playtch application. So let's go to login. We enter our password and make login. Now we have a screen where we can pair our account with our Latch application. So now we have to enter in our Latch application in our smartphone, add a new service, generate a new pairing key, and pair. We can see that in our smartphone, Latch said to us that Playtch by Quackea was paired successfully. So now we can set in. For example, we want to log our login. So first of all, log out, make a login with our new user. And both of the mobile application and our website said to us that we have an error or failure access to our account. So imagine you also want to log the edit profile action, but you want to allow login to your account. We are going to change our email. You have to enter again a new password and make click on edit button. So we can see again that someone has blocked our edit action, and the Latch application send us a push notification to inform to us. If you want to unpair your app, you only have to go to Latch and click to unpair your account. So now we are unpairing. If you want to use our plugin or our Play framework module, you have to access to our GitHub account, git.io Quackea, and here you have the plugin source code. You can follow the instruction, the tutorial to install in your own project. And if you have any doubt or if you want to test Playtch example, you can enter in the samples directory and download this sample. You have to set in your configuration your own Latch app ID and also your secret key. And if you want to test the Latch latching mode, you have to go to our controller, for example in login controller, and put your login operation ID that you have to create in the developer side of 11path. Ya está, ¿no?
Eso déjalo. Ya está.